How to add images and meshes as references in Fusion 360. The case study product used for this video will be the iconic Panton chair. The 3D model has been downloaded directly from Vitra website. The 2D references have been downloaded from Dimensions.com. Let's define a new design. Enable the origin visualization within the product tree. Go up to Insert and select Canvas. Select the side view reference image and then the YZ plane. Scale the image using the corner widget and then go to the left view. Expand the Canvases folder in the product tree, right-click the side view and select Calibrate. Select the 2 points that define the width of the chair and add the value of 578 mm. Zoom out and right-click the side canvas and go to Edit Canvas. Align the side view so that the origin will be located in the middle of the bottom horizontal line. Flip the image on the horizontal axis to align the orientation of the text within the image. Now let's add a new plane for the front view reference. Go to the left view to align the newly defined plane to the outer boundary of the image. Insert a new canvas and select the front view. Scale the image to better see the reference and align the image. Go to the front view, then select the front view canvas and calibrate the reference. Set the size of the reference to 483 mm. Also flip the image horizontally to align the text within the reference image. Position the origin to the middle of the bottom horizontal line on the sketch. Verify that the images are roughly the same height. Now let's add the top image. The workflow will be the same. We need to select the image, select the top plane and then align and calibrate the image. Calibrate the image to the same width of 483 mm just like within the previous reference. Now let's add the 3D mesh as a reference as well. Go to Insert, select Mesh and add the 3D mesh from your computer. I have converted the 3D model of the chair to the OBJ file format previously to have it compatible with Fusion 360. I will rotate the 3D model to 90 degrees on the Y-axis to have it align. Now let's move the model to match the referenced image. As we can see, the 2D references have a different profile when compared to the 3D model downloaded directly from Vitra website. That's it. If you enjoy this content, consider to subscribe for similar content. Thanks for watching.